great. We have done already 3 workflows, and now we will do this workflow. Read email, download PDF file, clean text, and upload text to Google Docs. This is more complicated. This is going to be much more complicated. Well, not much more, but here we will introduce some new concepts, okay? So let's begin. New workflow. We save this workflow. Well, I'll stop it because I don't want to receive workflows. Add workflow. We will call it, and we said it was, I forgot. Read email, PDF, docs, I'll call it. Because it's different. In the previous, you might think it's the same, but it's not the same, because in the other workflow, we were getting the text, but now we will download the file, a PDF file, and from that PDF file, we will extract the text. So it's not the same. You will see that it's not the same. Right, so we come to the workflows and Gmail, PDF to docs. Okay, Udemy English tutorial. Great. So here, event, Gmail, as usual, on message received. That's fine. And credentials, the ones from Gmail API. On message received, simplify no, and I want to download attachments, right? Download attachments, and here I could specify if I want to get only some of them, but no, I want to get all the attachments. So I get the Gmail, I download the attachments, and then, well, let's first execute this. Let's see if it gets it should get the same PDF that I sent in the previous video, right? So you see binary, yeah, this is the PDF download. Exactly, that's the PDF. So now there is a node called read PDF. Read PDF, look at this, read PDF. And if the PDF has a text property, which I don't assure you, it should convert the PDF into a JSON format. Let's see. Yes, look at this. Yes, it's working. Control click mouse. The only thing is that it's getting a table. It's getting a table, and the data is we're getting the data kind of raw, but it's reading the PDF. It's converting the PDF to JSON, and since this PDF has a text property, is getting the text property. Okay, and so now this text we will upload it to the Google Docs. Okay, the output it's in JSON in the text, right? So now we will do the same that we did before. Google Docs. Create the document. Select the credential. Document, create, folder name, yeah, I'll create it. Which name, in which folder, it doesn't, yeah, in the root, that's the root folder. Title, PDF file read, okay? Once this is created, we want to update it. Google Docs, select credential, these ones, well, I'll execute the previous node, I'll execute this one, okay, so that I get an output. This is the ID of the document that I need in the next node. So in the next node, document, update, document ID, look at this, drag and drop, okay? And we want to insert in the body at the end which text, the text that was in 2 nodes before, okay? In the read PDF nodes, the text Fantastic. You see how easy, you see how it flows? This is magic, believe me. Programming normally takes longer. This is the document ID. Let me check in Google Drive. And PDF read file. And there we go. You see, this is the table that I was showing you before, the shortcuts. That's the PDF of the shortcuts. There we go. Great. This is relevant because now we're getting on the field of being able to read PDF files, the texts. So we're making a big step forward.